this is 11 Total Parts Pro. Today we've got 2014 Subaru Forester, stock number 6767. It's ran from the 9th 2013 and the 7th 2018. It is an FB25, 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, back 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, head AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front periscope, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,